This is how I create a consistent character using VideoExpress AI 2.0. It is very simple, and I'm going to do it step by step without cutting, editing this video, so you see exactly how it's done. And this is how I just do it, okay? By the way, VideoExpress AI, I love this software. It's unlimited creation, AI images, and AI video. It's crazy. There's so many softwares out there, tools that you can use. I'm not gonna name them, but wow, this Video Express is worth investment. I just want to say that. So let's create the consistent character using Video Express AI. Okay, what we need to do first is create the character, right? That's the first thing that you have to do. And you will say, well, let's go to the consistent character over here. Not yet. We have to create the the person, the animal, the thing that you're gonna be using over and over. So the way that I do it is I'm going to create it from prompt. Okay, I'm gonna click here, and you have a landscape or vertical option, and you have your scene prompt for your image and your video action prompt for the video. And you can see you have some certain types of images that you can create, which is human, 2D, 3D, photorealistic, and other. Honestly, I have no idea what this other means, but someday I will find it. Okay. Um, you have check or uncheck these things, sharpen human faces, automatically enhance my prompt, share this in the public gallery, which I don't because I'm using this type of content for a faceless YouTube channel that I just started a week ago. Okay, so I'm going to select vertical because mostly that I what I'm doing is shorts. That's what my focus is, except this video that I'm doing right now with you. Okay, but right now I'm gonna do a vertical video because of shorts. Okay, so what do I want? You can put anything really there what you want to create, but I was thinking, what do I do for the tutorial? So what I'll do is a frog. Okay, I'm gonna put a frog, okay, that stands up like a human, because these videos are very crazy about animals standing up and walking like humans, like a human wearing a, I don't know, a purple raincoat and black boots. All right. So that's what I'm gonna do first. I'm not doing any backgrounds or anything at all. And I'll explain to you why in a moment. What I'll do is remove the automatically enhance my prompt because I want just to keep it simple. Okay? Otherwise, it just makes things crazy. And if you want to improve it, that's fine. You just check it, enhance the prompt, and create a new image. Okay? So we're gonna remove that. Also, I'm gonna do here so I want only the focus of my character. I'm gonna put no background. Uh, I'm gonna put white white background, uh, photorealistic. Um, um, I'm gonna instead of photorealistic, ultra realistic skin. Um, and oh, actually, I'm gonna put a green frog. I just want to specify what, because otherwise it's gonna do some random stuff. I want them to do a green frog that stands up like a human, wearing a purple raincoat and black boots, white background, ultra realistic skin. I'll put 4K. All right. So now that I have my prompt, I'm going to create the image. Always remember that if you're going to be creating the images, make sure that whatever you're making it from, whatever version you're like ratio you're making, is a vertical landscape. Always make sure, because sometimes I create the image and I'm in a landscape when I make some shorts. So I'm like, I gotta create the image again. Okay. So I'm gonna create the image on vertical and let's see what comes up. Takes a little while, nothing to worry. Sometimes quicker, something takes a little longer. So there you go. I love it. This is hilarious. I love it. Love, love, love this frog. Okay, I don't have to create more frogs, so I'm just gonna leave that like that. And what I'm gonna do, this is very important. I'm going to save this image. Save it. Because if I close this, it's gone. I can do this again, but sometimes you will lose these and oh boy, like you have to kind of it never comes back again the same. Anyway, so I'm gonna save this photo. Click save. Perfect. Now that my photos, the image has been saved in your media library in the category, my images right here. Okay, so I can click over here if I'm done. And if you're not happy, you can say create image again. If you're not happy, the frog is gonna be there, right? But just creating the image doesn't save the image. That's very important you to know. I learned the hard way. Oh my god, this is hilarious too. The only problem is that the boots are missing. Okay, so the first one, it got it right. It got it exactly how I was picturing my frog. So I'm gonna keep that one. Now that I saved the image, you can close this. Okay. Now we're gonna go to the consistent character button here. Click it. Again, always remember to put it in the format that you want to do. So I'm gonna do vertical, and I'm going to remove this. And if you have, you know, the issue that I had before where I was, oh no, the prompt. I forgot the prompt. What did I say? I don't know if I copy pasted. I have no idea if I did that. Let me see. I don't think I did. But if you forgot, oh, I mean, if you forget, sorry, you forget that to copy your prompt, which is very important, don't worry. Close that, click Media Library, go to your My AI images, and if you saved it, click right click and you'll see details. This is what I love this program. The prompt was a green frog that sounds like a human wearing a purple raincoat, black boots, white background, realistic skin, ultra realistic skin 4K. So I'm gonna copy this. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go back to the consistent character. Click here, vertical. I'm not gonna share this into the public gallery. And I'm gonna click the prompt in here. I'm gonna select my reference photo, which is in my images over here. And I'm gonna click choose. Okay. Now what happens is I can start just using this reference photo and start creating things like this. But I noticed when I did this by accident, I retrained the photo to create that consistent character. Don't ask me why, but what I noticed is I had more flexibility in how the character will interact with the following prompts that I'm gonna be doing in my series or my storytelling. It seems like it gives him more freedom because if I do it just with this one and I start putting, walking on the streets or walking on the park, things like that, it just doesn't come out right. It was just by chance that I figured this thing out, and I love that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is going to create the image again, and it's gonna be very close to it, but not quite the same. It's gonna look sharper. It's gonna look way better. Okay, so check this out. All right, you can see that it's a little sharper. See the coat, the skin over here in the neck. And if I go closer, Yeah, it might look like very sharp, right? But that's what I'm looking for. Quality on the view. Because on the video, it's gonna look sharper. Okay. So now that I have that, that's perfect. I'm going to save this frog too. Click save. Beautiful. Now this reference photo, I don't need it. I need to get the one that I just created. And look at this. You can see it's a little blurry and this one is a little sharp. See that? So I'm gonna select that one. Perfect. Now the reference photo is this one. Now I will feel more comfortable to start creating my scenes better. Don't ask me why that happened, but I loved it. Now I don't have any prompts in here, so what I'll do is the frog is eating flies. It's eating flies uh, on a ramen bowl. Okay, okay, I'm just gonna do that. Don't ask me why I just came out with that. I'm just going to click it. Create the image. The frog will be wearing the same clothes because I didn't tell the software or the prompt, the AI, to change anything. I just want him to be eating flies on a ramen bowl. So let's see what. That's a big frog and a. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Look at the eye of the fly. Okay, that's pretty funny. Okay, so what I want is now the frog is eating the fly. Okay, and I put eating flies, but I made a mistake. It's flies with yes. So let's try it again. Flies on a on a small ramen bowl. Okay, I'm gonna put the frog is sitting and eating. Oops, I don't know what my typing is happening. Flies on a small. I'm gonna put it on a small bowl. I'm gonna remove the ramen. Okay, click create image. Guys, and this is amazing because you can create images on limited, unlimited video, unlimited. There's no credits. As you can see, I have all access because I pay for the one-time payment, and it's amazing. I have all access, unlimited. I don't have to worry about monthly fees, credits, and how many images I'm making, how many videos I'm making. If you want to create content daily, especially for YouTube, this is the software that you have to get. Okay, and I'm leaving a link on the description if you're interested on it. Okay. All right. Let's see that. He's sitting. Her flies on a ball. Perfect. I like that. And I'm gonna put the frog is eating the flies. Okay. The flies. So what I'll do is now going to create the video. All right. Click to create the video. You don't have to put any prompts in here. And if you click create video and this is blank, the software will create some movements of the frog. Nothing fancy, just very simple movements, but it looks good too. So if you don't want to do anything like that, you can just leave it blank. We create video, and that's it. Now, the video will appear in your media library under the media tab, and it's ready. That means that when I'm done creating my videos in here, I can just go to my media library. But you will have to close this, okay? You cannot just go that. Or you can just click the tab, go again to the app, all right? App, VideoExpress AI, and you can go to the media library and you can check the images, sorry, the videos, and you can see the video is being created right now. So I don't have to get out if I want to keep creating content. But I just create all my images, create my videos. But it's a good practice just to keep this open so you can check in another tab so you can play the video before closing everything. Because what if the video that you created, let's say for this one, didn't come out the way that you wanted, right? So for example, I created a video before and I can just click on the file of the video that was made and click play and I can see if that worked. And if I like it, it's perfect. So I don't have to create the images again or the video. All right. So just a little tip for you guys over there. Okay. All right. So now that I have my consistent character, you notice now that it's very flexible. Here, the frog is sitting in a big bowl with ramen and a fly. This one with flies is sitting. So now I can integrate things like same thing, sitting at the table, and eating flies, and then a small bowl. Um, Also, there's pint of beer on the table. Background is a restaurant, and I'm gonna put blurred. Oh, I'm gonna put blur background, blur background restaurant. Okay. All right. So you can have to kind of imagine the things that you want to have in your environment of your character. Okay. Otherwise, you're feeling that you're kind of telling the AI, and the AI doesn't even know. If you don't tell them exactly what you want, the AI is not going to make the video that you were looking or the image that you're looking for. Okay, so just make sure that you're very specific. Right. So now you are going to click create image. You can keep creating images. Okay, it's not like you have to wait and you cannot create images. You can just go here again and create an image. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. I love these. Oh my God. Look at the hands. I love these. I love these. All right. So now what I want is the frog is eating the flies and drinking beer. Okay. Hopefully doesn't get confused. I noticed that some the AI gets confused. So I have to kind of give them like um, two images and do the different things at the same time uh, to do what I want them to do. I don't know if I make sense what I just said, but I have to be very careful on how to word it. Something just doesn't come out the way that I'm thinking is going to do it, right? So we have to be very, very specific. The frog is eating the flies and drinking the beer. Yeah, the beer. All right, I'm gonna click create video. I'm gonna wait. I can go and check the other tab and I'm gonna check my other videos. All right, so the video that I created before is here and done. I'm gonna click play. Look at it. It looks like he's singing, but it's not eating the flies. You see? Weird. It's not eating the fly as I said. Anyways, so I'm gonna close this and I'm gonna wait for this one to finish. So as you can see, is very, very cool the way the consistent character works because you can create backgrounds, you can create positions, you can really create and craft your creation, your content, which is amazing. And the consistent character feature is unbelievable. As you can see, the frog is the same frog that I've been using when I'm telling my prompt. I'm not putting the frog with a purple jacket, blah, blah, blah. I'm just giving them the way that I want the image to show. The reference photo is that. If you ever encounter a thing that is not respecting the photo, it could be two things that you're having two characters and the AI gets confused if you put, let's say, you have two cats in here. For example, you have two cats. One cat is black and the other one is white. And you put two kittens playing, uh, uh, playing in the park with a red ball, blah blah blah. The kittens is a very generic word for it, so you have to be specific sometimes. The black and white kitten are playing in the park with a red ball. And now we'll respect that and create your thing. Same with this thing. If I had two frogs, one is red and it was green, and I tried to do that, probably the AI would have made two green ones instead of like the ones that I wanted as my reference photo. But this is not the case right now. Just want to give you a little what I have found using this VideoExpress AI for almost 2 weeks. I love it. I love it, guys. I mean, I had tried so many others and they are amazing too, but nothing comparable to not worry about monthly fees. Honestly, I spend so much money in AI software, and this one is the best uh, so far that I found. When I read it is unlimited, I couldn't believe it. It is unlimited. All right. Anyways, I'm gonna create another thing. The frog is let's put. I just thinking and talking. I something came to my head. The frog is driving a racing red Formula One, uh, wearing a racer suit and a helmet. Background, um, the racetrack, blurred. Let's see what it comes up. So another tip that I want to give you guys. I don't know why I say guys. You know, oh my God, look at that. This looks like a go-kart. That doesn't look like a Formula One racing car. But hey, yes, it's funny. I love it. I'm gonna just because I know that the photo looks like he's driving already. I'm going to just create a video. Create a video. I'm not gonna put anything in there. Okay. So yeah, I want to say that you can change the angle as well, how you are perceiving the image. How do you want it to do? What angle? Low angle, high angle, from the side, all those kind of things that you can do. It's possible. I'm gonna put a high angle of a frog. I'm gonna put of the frog because you can see the reference photo. The frog uh, driving a racing red car. I'm just gonna put car, wearing a racer suit, which is purple. Oh my god, I didn't even notice. No, it's the raincoat. Sorry, it's the raincoat. Let me just put wearing a white racer suit and a white helmet. Okay, let's try again. See now, because even he has a purple jacket, I was able to do this. So in the beginning, when I said to you, you create your character, you save your image, and you use the reference photo, and then you add the prompt again, and you get a refined photo, which is this one of your character. This is what I'm talking about. If I had only the first photo of my creation, I wouldn't be able to do this, changing completely the outfit. Well, in my case, it didn't work. I don't know why, but it just didn't work. So by chance, I just did it because I kind of click it again, creating the video image again by accident, and I noticed that I was having more flexibility uh, in doing it. So thankfully, I was recording at that time, so I was shocked. I was like, wait a second, why I was able to do this before and now I couldn't? It was because of that reason. So guys, the consistent character is amazing. It's great to create shorts, great to create a lot of content for your YouTube, for your TikTok, or for whatever platform that you want to use. This is the tool. I cannot stress. I shouldn't say like that. I cannot say more good things about this Video Express AI. It's amazing. It's crazy. Again, unlimited, unlimited. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's try again. A high angle. It didn't the high. The angle didn't change at all. I just noticed that the angle did not change at all. Um, Maybe I'm missing something. Uh, a high angle shot of the frog. Let's see if that changes something. And if it doesn't, I'll figure it out and I probably will let you know in another video. For now, I just wanted to show you exactly how the consistent character works and why this is so worth it, right? So worth it because you can. Oh, perfect. You see that? It's a little bit higher. The angle is on the side and I love this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. I love it. Nice. Nice. This is beautiful. Okay. Hi. Let's try another one. Uh, the frog. The I'm gonna put the frog is running running from a predator and his face shows uh like shows panic. What eat frogs? uh I don't know, birds eat frogs. I don't know. Let's put uh gi uh a huge, yeah, huge bird behind him is trying to eat him. I'm gonna put huge black bird behind him is trying to eat him. Eat, what's happening? Eat him. Okay. I'm gonna put uh, environment jungle. All right. Let's create the image. I'm picturing something, but I don't know if that's gonna come out the way I'm thinking. See? That look. Oh, is the bird on his back? Oh boy, that's a scary bird. Anyways, okay. Let's see. Let's create a video. The frog is running and showing panic in his eyes. In his eyes. Let's see. All right. So now that I have all that for now, I'm gonna go back to the tab and just keep showing you the results of the videos. Okay. Let's see. Try this one. See what I said? Like the video didn't even do the beer at all. It's just, and he's not even eating the flies. He's just like putting them down and putting them. So what I should be more specific is chewing, eating and chewing the flies, and that would do it. That would. Now let's try the race car. Eh, he's excited. He's talking. Oh, this is awesome. Oh man. You can create these two, and you can make the frog talk as well with this software. It's just amazing. All right, remember, unlimited, guys. So let me just go back here one more thing, and let's put the frog is taking photos with a DSLR camera, uh, taking photos of a little cutest white fluffy kitten with a DSLR camera in the jungle. Create the image. So if you want to save these images, that's perfect. And if you don't worry, you don't have to save them. But the one, because the photos, you can recreate them, or if you want to go back and use them, I suggest that you save. And you have, I believe, 6 months to download into your computer, before they delete them. So that's pretty sweet. Everything that you create takes 6 months to be erased. Isn't it crazy, guys? It's crazy, right? So I'm gonna click here. Yeah, here's the camera. Here's the white kitty, which is so cute, and the frog in front of it. And let's put that. The frog is um, taking photos of the cat, the kitty. And guys, I'm not being too specific, so that's why it's not doing everything. But if I want the frog to do a lot of things, the very exactly what I'm saying, I have to be extra careful on how I'm crafting my video prompt. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm using AI to create better prompts because it's hard just to think all the time what exactly on how to reward it. It's just better if you're creating content right now. If you don't use AI to create your content, you're gonna take so long and you're gonna quit. Okay, and doing these type of things. The frog is taking photos of the kitten. I'm just gonna leave it. Create a video, and we're gonna wait. Okay, so let's see what else is done. I did that one. We already checked that one. The bird's still working. Oh, it's okay. Let's see. Yeah, the video didn't do what I wanted to do. Again, you have to be very specific. It was very general. The bird behind him, meaning or is interpreting that the bird is on his back. Um, Maybe I should have put chasing the frog. Um, but I don't want to make the video too long, guys. All right, I don't want to make the video too long. All right, but you see the concept. Um, I don't know. It's just so great. The consistent character is amazing. I'm gonna wait for this one to finish, and then I'll go and create another image. Just in the meantime, just so I can show you the last video that I made with the cat. Let's put the frog is wearing uh, red shorts. Oh no. He's wearing and yeah, he's wearing red shorts, uh, black running black sneakers, and a t-shirt t-shirt with a logo uh, with logo simplicity in AI, which is the name of the channel. And if you haven't like and subscribe, please do it. All right. Let's see. Great image. I see I didn't put any background, so I don't know what's gonna do. Could be white background because it's gonna use this as a reference, or it might just do a jungle. I don't know. Something it has its own mind. Oh, there you go. Simplicity AI put all. I don't know why I put all. Did I put all? No, no. Let me just remove this. The logo, simplicity, AI. I love that, the way that he's posing too. Look at that. This is pretty cool. Oh, it says simplicity. This didn't say it's in AI. Uh, the text, I noticed that the text is not that great, but I really don't care about that. Let's see. Nice. Simplicity and I. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, those are no sneakers. Those are just regular shoes. All right. So guys, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and I hope that this tutorial helps you to know that you can create consistent characters so easy and unlimited, which is fantastic for content creation. You don't have to worry about paying any monthly fees, no credits. It's just an amazing tool, and you should get it as an investment, guys. This is insane because uh, there's unlimited all life, all life. It's crazy. But if there's so many other brands that people like because they're promoted by in other places, which is great. And I will tell you, because I'm very transparent, the link that I'm putting in the description, or if you ask me, I'm gonna put it in the comment. I'm gonna leave it in the comment as well, and in the description and comment if you're interested. And if you purchase Video Express AI, I do get a percentage. It's an affiliate link, and I have my a duty to tell you. But don't worry, it's not like increasing your price of it. It's just that because I'm promoting it, because I love the software, I get a commission for it. Okay, so I'm just being very transparent on what I'm doing and why I'm telling you, so you know. All right, excellent. So enjoy. Have a good one.